Hey, Dr. Dang. This is our Project 2 update.
We've had some problems.
Yes. Yes. Um, we are changing up a little bit. We're not doing object recognition like you recommended. It seemed a little too difficult for us to tackle at this moment in our time at college. For right
Yeah,
now.
or at least within this like 3-4 week period.
Yes.
I think if we had like an ample amount of time, we could definitely figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
But as for right now, so that we could kind of try to give a fully functioning app, we I decided that we're gonna do something just a little bit different than that.
Mm-hmm.
But we're sticking to like the same like idea in a sense.
Mm-hmm.
It's more like
Now,
Aaron. Yeah, go
yeah,
ahead.
now the user will then pick from the list all the items from the store, pretty much like an ordering app and how you would do such a thing. And then you would hit the plus, and then you would have another button to press to get to the new user. And that would allow you to eventually add how many ever users you would want. And then there would most likely be on the bottom a connect to end or whatever. And then you can calculate taxes and that sort of thing. So it's a little bit of change up, but data will be stored in Receipt Splitter. And yeah, the main issue is, I think, what Dylan's going to express right here.
Yeah, so right now, like what we've been kind of like working on two things. We've had a few issues with both Firebase and what I'm about to talk about here. So we've been trying to create this like bottom tab navigator for our homepage. Um, right now, like as I'm trying, you can see that it works here in theory in the API here. And as I've been trying to go along and utilize it in the code, sorry, I had to minus both Aaron and I out there for a second. It's returning this like no object error that we've been like trying to figure out. Um, we've been looking at like Stack Overflow. We've been looking at like I've been looking at a few GitHubs and trying to figure it out like how this is utilized. Oh, Aaron, Aaron got disconnected.
I'm back. My bad. The
um,
stream ended.
oh, the stream ended.
But wait, it's back up. Never mind.
Okay. But yeah, like I keep running into a bunch of errors. And then the other thing too is we we've been trying to keep everything back into Expo after trying to put it out, and putting it out just made it super complicated and blew everything up. So we've been pretty much like hardcore trying to make the app even like seeable again since we destroyed it so bad.
Mm-hmm.
And
And it's
then
pretty much the same login screen and that sort of thing. That's one thing that we're also doing with the app. We're making it people log in, very similar to chat app, that sort of thing. How we had people sign up with their emails. Sort of
yeah, that way, like when people could see like their previous things in theory once we again get the database set up,
thing.
just so that way you're not seeing a whole bunch of random people's like receipt stuff. It's more like personalized to you. You could see your receipts and look at the previous ones and whatnot. And then our last issue here is with Firebase because we tried to do the like method that Spencer Carley did for the chat app,
Mm-hmm.
and that completely backfired because one, Spencer Carley has updated some of the stuff on that course. Like he updated his GitHub and some of the projects, but not the links and not the videos yet. So it's like really confusing trying to like mimic that now. And on top of that, us trying to figure out how to get it disconnected from Expo didn't cause a lot of issues with the Gradle and it not being able to build and not work as well. So,
We shot ourselves in the foot
yeah,
this week.
we talked with Mark about that, and Sai mentioned that you could do an Expo package that works with React Native Firebase that they figured out. So we've been like working on that too, but we quite haven't set that up as well.
We're working on it. That's the important part for our update. We're not done. We're working on it.
Yeah,
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah, even if you look at these like other screens, like the sign in screen here that we have, the create account, we have the handle submit function, like it's pretty much commented out for right now because we don't have a database working with it.
Mhm.
But yeah, hopefully next week we'll have like a big breakthrough of some sort, and it just is like a lot better.
Yeah, because we only have 2 more weeks. Smile.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's enough.
Hopefully. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.